Hey guys, this is Carlise, and on this episode of Food Nerds, we are going to be making a quick and simple, easy chicken pasta skillet dish, okay? We're going to be using these baked ziti noodles that we used from our last week's episode that were expired. So I'm going to show you, last week I showed you how to make them. This week we're going to put it together into an actual recipe, okay? So if you're ready to get to know this recipe and make this chicken skillet dish with me, make sure you stay tuned and we'll be right with it. So we have a large skillet on the grill, oh gosh, I think I'm grilling. We got a large skillet on the stove. I got it on about medium-high heat. Okay, so our ingredients for today, we're going to be using a full green onion sliced, and then we have half of a large, it was a huge, humongous onion, recall, one green pepper, and then an onion that's been thinly sliced. We have about a cup and a half of mozzarella cheese, freshly shredded. We don't buy that already shredded stuff. It doesn't have the same taste, okay? We have some parsley over here. We have a bit of Italian seasoned basil and garlic salt. We have about a pound of chicken that I've cleaned. I took the fat off and I just cubed it up into about 1/2-inch cubes. We have our expired ziti noodles over here. A bit of olive oil we're going to be using. And then this is just my homemade tomato sauce that we're going to be putting into it also. So let's get started. We have a hot pan. We're going to put some olive oil on it right away. As you can see, that olive oil is moving around. That's how you can tell your pan is already hot. Okay, I'm going to move that around. And we're going to add this chicken right into it, guys. Okay? I'm going to spread it out just so it's not on top of each other. Give it some room to cook. Okay, we're going to cook it until it's actually cooked all the way through. And once it's cooked all the way through, we'll be right back and I'll show you what's next on that step list, okay? Okay guys, so my chicken has cooked all the way. And it has browned beautifully. So we're just taking it out. If I can grab it. We're taking it out. This is my chicken. Still hot. And we're going to put it to the side, okay? Now what we're going to do is add a little bit more olive oil. And we're going to get all of our veggies sauteed off. Okay? So we're going to saute our green bell pepper and our onion. And as soon as we get that sauteed off, we'll be right back. And we'll finish putting everything together. Okay, so just to recap on what we did, we cooked up our chicken in a little bit of olive oil. I did forget to tell you, I did put in the basil, the garlic, salt, and the Italian season in my chicken while I was cooking it off. Okay, once we finished cooking that off, we took it out and put it to the side. So it's right here on the countertop next to me. We threw in our half of onion and our 1 full green pepper that we just sliced up thinly. Okay, and we're just sauteing that. We're not going to cook that until it's all the way through. We still have that beautiful, vibrant green color coming through. Our onions are now softened, so you're not going to get that hard crunch from it once you bite into it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add in our sauce. Like I said, this is my homemade tomato sauce recipe. I haven't actually bought tomato sauce in about 5, maybe 6 years. I just started making my own. I make my own, honestly, once a year. I'll make a big batch and I do a whole method when I can it, and it'll last me throughout the year. So if you want to see my homemade tomato sauce recipe, just, leave me a comment down below and I'll show you how to do it and also how to can it so you can have enough throughout the year. Okay, so now that we have our sauce in, we're going to add that noodles right into here, okay? Let me put this down. These is our baked ziti noodles, okay? Now, remember from the last recipe we said we didn't add olive oil, so they are a bit sticky. But that's a simple fix because this tomato sauce is just gonna loosen it right up. Ooh, I'm throwing noodles, guys. The tomato sauce is honestly, look, it's spreading it out, it's loosening it up. It's not staying clumped together. It's getting in between all of those, okay? So you got your noodles covered. We're gonna turn that heat back up because I did turn it down a little bit. Should've got a bigger pan, huh? Everything's just going everywhere. So, we got those incorporated. Now I'm gonna throw my chicken right on top, okay? Get all the juice that goes with it, because I promise you it's good. We're gonna put in our cheese right on top of it, okay? We got the cheese on it. And I promise you, as soon as you get to know me, guys, and we get to know each other, you are gonna know how much I love parsley. So this is fresh parsley that I actually chopped up, okay? So we're gonna add a bit of parsley in there. And we're just gonna mix this bad boy right up. I'm gonna try not to get any more stuff anywhere. I promise you I'm failing, but I'm gonna try. Okay? So, now that we have it all done, one got away, and I'll eat it. Now that we got this pretty much all done, we're gonna bring this all back up to the same temperature because our sauce was a little bit cool. Same thing with our cheese. Of course, our cheese was cold. The pasta noodles wasn't warmed up. So we're just gonna bring all of this up to the right temperature. I'm gonna plate it, and we'll be right at that kitchen table with each other in a minute. Hey guys, so we're back at the table, and I've been waiting to give you this recipe for 2 weeks since we made our expired ziti noodles. Okay, so here we go. We already made this recipe at the stove. We're gonna dig in, we're gonna try it out. Just to recap on this recipe, we got some onions in here, we got some green bell peppers, we have mozzarella cheese. Can't do wrong without cheese, right? You can't do wrong with cheese. Cheese is just the greatest thing ever. You got some parsley in here. Of course, we made it with our expired ziti noodles. I promise you, I'm going to advertise this forever so everybody knows, stop throwing away your old ziti noodles. Okay, you can use them. Not even ziti, fettuccine, spaghetti, rigatoni, manicotti. Use your noodles. They do not go bad. Just follow my instructions in that last week's video. They will tell you how to make it. So, I'm getting hungry. My mouth is watering just looking at it. I did get it in a big plate. Just, you know, so me and my family can have it later tonight. So I promise you we're going to be eating this. And I did do a little plate presentation on how it looks. I will have better pictures since you can't really see it up close right now, but I will have a better picture of it towards the end of this video, in the middle of this video, somewhere in this video. Okay? Grab me a fork. Let's dig in. I want to get everything. I'm trying to get some onion, some pepper, cheese. Guys and gals, this is amazing. See, here's the thing y'all don't really know about me. I like to try recipes on the fly. So you're gonna get an honest review on if I like this recipe or not every time you make it. Not this one, any recipe in my future channel. Most of these I just make them because I see them and I want to try it. But I didn't get a piece of chicken, you know, I gotta eat it. And that chicken is so moist. Guys, I don't want to take up most of your time. Please try this recipe. If you do try this recipe, make sure you leave a comment. Let me know how it came out at the bottom. Okay? Please subscribe to my channels, like, comments. I will always respond to your comments within a week. Hey, I might respond tonight. So, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Just so you know, every time we get a new video posted, we will have videos posted every single Friday. So just stay tuned. We'll see you next week.